In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Elementor not loading in WordPress. So in order to fix your Elementor that's not loading, what you can do is you can head over to wordpress.com and then make sure to log into your account. Just input your credentials from there and then log in. If you do not have an account yet, head over and click on this Get Started option right here. Now this is my account dashboard right here. So in order to actually fix this particular problem, first thing we need to do is to clear the cache. You can clear your browser cache by going to these three dots right here and scrolling down, and you can see these settings right here. Into this part, search in here for cache, click onto this, and then you can see cache images and files. Make sure that this one is selected and click onto this delete data that we can see right here. Now, once that's done, next thing we need to do is to actually change or clear the cache for your WordPress caching plugins. So you can do this by installing a WordPress caching plugin onto your actual option, and you can remove that from there. Now, next thing you need to do is you can actually update Elementor and WordPress itself. So you can head over right here to this plugins and click on this installed plugins. Then after that, locate Elementor and make sure that the auto updates is enabled and not disabled. You can also see in here an update option if it's not enabled through that way. Now the third thing that we need to do is we can enable the switch editor loader method. So navigate to your Elementor right here and then go over to the settings that you can see right here. Once you're in here, just head over to the advanced. And into this section, you just need to enable the switch editor loader method. And as you can see right now, it's disabled. So click onto this enable option right here. And this actually helps for troubleshooting server configuration conflicts. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.